Hello everybody. Today we're here to talk about hydrangeas and specifically the panicle hydrangea. So a little bit about panicles is they like sun, so they will take full sun down to part shade. Their deer resistance is not great. So if you have heavy deer pressure, they will probably prune them for you. So you might want to steer a little bit away from them or keep them sprayed. But we have probably about 4 to 5 different varieties of the panicles in stock right now, so I'm going to cover a few of them. First up is this Love-A-Lot Pink, which is huge. I mean, look at the size of that flower. It's one of the biggest flower heads of the panicles that there is. So this starts out white and then turns to a really nice dark pink. Then back behind me, this is Quickfire Fab. So this is going to get in that 6 to 7 foot range, as the same as the Love-A-Lot Pink. They're about the same size. These have a smaller flower head, but again, start white and then turn that nice dark pink color. And then next behind me is Little Lime. So this is Limelight's little brother. So this is in that 4 by 4 foot range. So a little bit smaller. So if you have a smaller spot, maybe it's up against a foundation bed or something like that, this would be a good one. This one stays white though. So it starts out cream and then turns to a bright white. And then last up, this is my favorite. This is Bobo. So this is a dwarf, so 3 by 3. So again, that small spot is going to be a great space for it. And I mean, it gets completely covered with blooms. I mean, as you can see, you can barely even see the leaves. And then we also have the tree forms of these too. So we have a pink version and a white version in tree form. So, which means it is on a standard and it's about as tall as I am. You can see those in the background there. So a couple more tips on the panicles is, again, they like the sun. They will take up the full sun. And also, they like moist soil, but it has to be well drained. So nothing that's going to be in super moist soil. And then thirdly is pruning. So you want to prune these guys in either the late fall, early winter, all the way up until very early spring. So before they would leaf out. So you have a nice window to prune them. I typically prune them that first like nice 50-degree day in spring, and I get out there and prune mine at home. So again, we have a great selection. Stop out and see us and have a great day.